Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable solar panel that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Boulder Zero Monocrystalline Portable Solar Panel. Whether you need to recharge phones, a laptop, LED lights or other peripherals on a hunting or camping trip, or want to permanently mount some panels to the roof of your cabin in the woods off the grid, the Boulder Zero is your best choice. Constructed from tried and true monocrystalline silicon, the most effective type of silicon panels, the Zero goes wherever your energy needs are waiting. The 2-panel kit weighs less than 26 pounds and comes with a handsome and durable tote bag with a rugged nylon handle. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Renogy 100-watt off-grid portable solar panel. The Renogy 100-watt portable solar suitcase is a miniature power station that allows you to take a bit of the modern world with you wherever you roam. Set it up on top of your trailer, on top of your RV, next to your blow-up tent in the campground or in the yard. This lightweight high-output solar panel kit is fashioned from monocrystalline silicon and is compatible with lithium-ion, gel cell and other types of rechargeable batteries. It's relatively light, comes with its own protective case and costs about the same as a high-end large camping tent. At number 3, we have the Renogy Phoenix Portable Solar Panel. The Renogy Phoenix Portable Generator with 20-watt solar panel is to solar panels what the laptop was to the PC. It allows virtually anyone to take a solar power generating station with them virtually anywhere they go. You're no longer tied to the rooftop panels or even to a portable but cumbersome 2-panel setup that might weigh 25 or 30 pounds. This unit is a mere 13.8 by 13.1 by 3.9 inches in size and weighs just over 12.5 pounds or just a bit more than a gallon of milk. There's an integrated 16Ah lithium-ion battery and multiple connection ports including AC, DC and USB flash drive ports, so you can get the power to whatever type of gadget you have. At number 2, we have the eco-worthy 120-watt 12-volt solar panel suitcase. The last item on our list of best portable solar panels is the 120-watt 12-volt solar panel suitcase from eco-worthy. Like most of the other portable solar panels on our list, the eco-worthy uses monocrystalline silicon, which is the industry standard for efficiency. This is a plug-and-play ready compact solar energy solution that's both affordable and easy enough for the average adult to set up in minutes. There's an integrated charge controller, so you don't need to worry about overcharging your 12-volt system or adding a controller of your own. And finally, at number 1, we have the BigBlue SolarPowa 28. The BigBlue SolarPowa 28 is our top choice for a portable solar charger because it balances portability and solar charging efficiency the best of any solar panel we tested. This model has impressive solar charging abilities in both direct sunlight and during cloudy days. And it weighs less than all but the smallest 5-watt panels. It unfolds into 4 solar panels quickly and easily, and it's light enough to prop up or hang off of just about anything to get an ideal charging angle to maximize efficiency. When your portable electronics need a charge, this panel delivers it more consistently than any other. It does better than most panels on cloudy days and has 3 USB-A outputs, so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.